welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, this will be part 2 of my Christmas home decor haul. On part 1, I show you guys all the items that I'll be using for my tree, and on this video I will be showing you all the items that I will use throughout the house. I hope you guys enjoy. I did my shopping for my home decor. I wanted to make sure that I purchased things that I was going to use throughout the year, not just for the holidays. So I picked up items that were casual. No, actually I did pick up 3 pillows that were for Christmas, which I'll use this year, and I'll also store away for future years because they're so pretty and they're very classy as well. Okay, so let me show you the first item that I got. This I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's from their fall collection, but I will use it for Christmas as well. And I got this for 80% off. So here it is. Not the first time I purchased a sign that says blessed. This right here, I got it at Hobby Lobby, like I mentioned, and I only paid $5 for it, which I thought it was really affordable for the size and also the letters. I love cursive. Even though I don't write in cursive, I still think it's such a beautiful, it looks really beautiful. So when I got this, when I found it, I was really happy, and I put it on my shopping cart right away. And I'll be placing this in my kitchen, or actually I was thinking in my dining room. If not, I will also put it on my, living room. And of course, I will display it back there as well with the little flowers that I got. And honestly, it does not even look like it's for fall. I think you can use it year round. Same with the flowers, and I purchased the flowers the same day that I purchased the sign, and they were both 80% off. I'll be using these pillows that I got from Target. I believe the price for them were $13, and they're super pretty. I will use them downstairs as well. But I initially bought them for my makeup room because I do have a rug that is just like this. What I loved about the pillows when I purchased them is that I kind of thought I can use them for Christmas, but I didn't think I was going to use that color. But it still ended up working out. So that's the good thing about shopping for items that are not just for one season. You can use it year round. The next item that I got, it is from Home Goods. And this right here is a little throw that I'll be using downstairs for my living room. But again, when I'm done using it downstairs, I'm actually going to use it up here. And it goes so well with my beige couch because I don't often show you guys. Well, actually, I haven't done a room tour in about 3 years. If you guys are interested in seeing my makeup room, let me know in the comments down below, and I will work on a tour. Because I do have a couch that is right there, and it's beige. It's from Macys. That was actually my first couch. Then after we got that couch, we found this one right here. And this is the one that I always use for my videos. But I do have another couch that is super pretty, and the throw is gonna go perfectly after Christmas. I saw this throw and I just thought it was really pretty. The price for it was only $40. I believe the tag said that the retail price for this throw was $100, which I was pretty surprised of the quality too, you guys. It is so soft. I was contemplating, and I mentioned this in my previous video, I was contemplating on getting a throw that was $130, and when I put them side by side, this one won. So that's the reason why I purchased this one, and it was a lot cheaper. If you guys are interested, I will have links down below to items that are similar. If I can find the same item, I will link it down below. If not, I will link something similar for you guys. I also found this stocking, which I thought it was really pretty. It matches perfectly with the throw as well. It's not white, it's more like a cream color, and the price for it was $10. I tried going back to see if I can find more because I'm gonna need 7 of them. But then I was thinking to myself, oh, that's gonna be a challenge to find 7. So I will keep my eyes open for after Christmas. Hopefully I can find something good online and purchase them all at once because I want to make sure that they all are the same style. And I thought cream is really pretty. Last year I purchased some stockings from World's Market. I believe I paid $10 for them, but I didn't like the shape of them. They were too long. So I took them back, and when I took them back, they were ringing up to $5 each. I was tempted to buy them, but then I was like, you know what, I didn't like them in the first place, so I'm not just gonna buy them just because they're on sale. So I left them behind and somebody purchased them right away because it was such a great deal. But I just didn't like the length. It was way too long. They look kind of awkward. But this ones are really pretty. And I like the furriness and the color and also the pattern. The other day when I was at HomeGoods, I found these beautiful plates. They were only $4 each. They have flowers all around it, which they kind of look, from far away, it looks like it's Christmas, but it's actually not. So I was really happy when I found them because I'll be using them year round. And let me show you so that you can see what I mean. The detail on the plate is really, really pretty. I was a little bummed out that I only found 4, but I will keep looking and hopefully I can find 4 more or 3 more. I have to make sure I have an extra one just in case one breaks, and I can always add it into my tablescape, which this year I am almost done with everything. And of course I'm going to be using things that I used from previous years, but I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this pumpkin, but I purchased this for Halloween and I completely forgot, and here we have it. So we're going to use it next year. It is so pretty and it's fluffy. I believe I paid $14.99 for this, but oh my god, it's so cute. Remember if I showed you this placemats before, but I'm going to show you anyways. I bought them, girls, I bought this like a year and a half ago. And I'm barely getting them out. I had them stored away. I have a lot of things that I store away and I kind of forget, and then later on I'm like, oh my god, yeah, I have that. Well, anyways, this placemats, they're from Sparkly Home. I follow them on Instagram, Sparkly Homes. They sell everything sparkly. Pillows, placemats, napkin rings, a bunch of beautiful things that sometimes you can score at HomeGoods. This is a placemat that I bought from HomeGoods. It was only $10. I purchased 4. It took a while for me to find them. I didn't use... The reason why I never used them before is because I only had 4, and I would always do my tablescape for 6. But this year I decided to start doing 4 only. So I have 4, so it's gonna work out perfectly. Same with the plates, I only found 4, but of course I'm gonna try to get 4 more, but if I cannot find them, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna work with 4. The placemats are gorgeous, and like I said, I got them a year and a half ago. I want to say that I showed you guys in a previous video, but I don't remember. But yes, they're super sparkly, and I'm so excited to finally use them this year. I am really happy. And also, I do plan on using my Sea Gallery ones, so maybe I can use them for New Year's Eve, or just New Year's Eve, and the Sea Gallery ones for Christmas. I told you guys that I was going to show you a picture of the... Well, actually, I was going to show you the actual placemat from Sea Gallery. So I'll add a clip right here so that you guys can see. They're so, so beautiful. So much detail. And super expensive. I got 6 of them for $30 each. I know, it was such a big purchase that I made from Sea Gallery. And the part that kind of sucks about Sea Gallery is that they don't give out free shipping, which I think they should, because I mean their stuff are so expensive. They need to work on their free shipping. That way you don't have to pay what, like $20 extra for shipping. I found some really, really nice mirror chargers, and I will link them down below. They are not as expensive as the ones that I got. They are beautiful just like mine, but they are not as expensive. So if you guys are interested, be sure to check out the description box. I think I went a little pillow crazy. But yeah, I have a lot of pillows that I'm going to show you. I'm just going to show you the pillows, and I think we're going to wrap it up after this. Oh, and some mirrors. I don't want this video to be too long because I know sometimes I can just sit here and talk your ear off. But anyways, I found this pillow at HomeGoods before I found another pillows that I have. The price for this was $20, and I also got the square ones, which they were $24.99. And again, I plan on using them in this makeup room just because I think they're so glamorous. Nobody's gonna mess with them. The kids don't come up here. It's just gorgeous. I think it was such a great price for the quality, and like I said, I got 3 of them. Let me show you the other 2. Ladies, this package has just arrived, so I'm going to show you what I got because it is another pillow. It's another set of pillows, and I got them from Macys, so I'll have a link down below definitely for these pillows. Here you have the pillows that I got, and I did not know they were from Inspire Me Home. So they are from Farrah. This is the first time I ever purchased anything from Farrah. And I'll have a link down below definitely for this pillow. I love the fact that I didn't get a box. And they are so big and beautiful, you guys. I love the tone. You can kind of see beige and also ivory. This is how it looks like on my dining room light. And right here I have the other two. And this is how they look like. I mean, I thought they were so gorgeous, but then I found these other pillows that were just like the most beautiful pillows I have ever seen. And I think they're the most beautiful pillows I have ever owned and I will ever own, which I'll show you in a bit. But look at that. It's just so beautiful. Perfect for my makeup room. If I decide to put it in my bedroom, I can always do that. And oh my god, you guys, I'm super duper happy. I feel like HomeGoods during the holidays has so much options for pillows, especially if you're a glam girl. If you love the sparkle, the detail, shop during the holidays for pillows. I highly recommend you to do that. And you can keep them year round like I plan on doing. This pillow, it is from TJMAXX. I found one at TJMAXX and then the other one I found it at HomeGoods. This is what I'm talking about. It is the same brand as the throw that I just showed you. Same tone, same texture, same fabric. I did the little test where I that's what I do nowadays. When it comes to fur, I have to like pull on the fur and make sure nothing falls off. If it falls off, I cannot buy it because I know it's gonna give me allergies. And it passed the test. Same with the throw. And the price for this was only $20. I did purchase two of them and they're so pretty. Look at that. Super comfortable. They have feathers inside. So I'm super happy. Like, I love this pillow. After I'm done with the holidays, I'm going to be using it up here on the ivory / cream couch that I have. My living room, I have, right by the window, I have some mirrors that I needed to replace because they were breaking. I got them a few years ago. Actually, no, I got them a long time ago. And they are on their way out. Some of them, not all of them. I'm going to keep a few. The ones that are broken, I will get rid of them. I found this set of mirrors at Rosa and I thought they were really pretty. Of course, they were super affordable as well. If I find something similar, I will link it down below. I got 2 packs because I'm going to put one on one side of my window and then another set on the other side, just to balance things out. I like things to kind of look similar. Or what's it called? What's that word? I like things to look symmetrical. There you go. So I had to get 2 sets and they're super pretty and also they're gold, so they match perfectly with my decor. I do mix metals, which silver and gold and bronze. You can find it all over my living room. And finally, ladies, let me show you the pillows that I was just mentioning to you guys that I found at HomeGoods. I could not believe that I found these pillows. They're the most gorgeous pillows I have ever seen. And here they are. Look at them. Aren't they so pretty? You can find the same pillow from Sparkly Homes. They retail for $80 each. But I wasn't going to spend that money because that is a lot of money. So I highly recommend you to check out HomeGoods and go on a hunt for them. I remember I did a story on Instagram when I found these pillows. So many ladies that follow me on Instagram were sending me DMs asking me about the pillow. Did I buy it? Where can I find more? And I'm like, honestly, it's HomeGoods. You know, you don't know what you're gonna find whenever you go. So when I found the pillows, I was so happy. I ended up purchasing 2 of them and they look just like my placemats. Well, actually not really. Similar pattern, but not the same. And again, they're both from Sparkly Homes. So I was so happy when I found it and I couldn't put it away. I was like, oh my god, it has to come home with me. I do want to place them in my makeup room because I don't think downstairs is a good idea. I know the kids are going to want to mess around with it and I don't want them to destroy the pillow because it's so beautiful. It is not feathers. It has cotton. I want to say cotton inside, so no feathers, but they're so beautiful. They had a darker one and also another pattern that I couldn't pass on as well. And this is how that looks like. Super sparkly. Oh my, I have some shoes that are like this, you guys. So I can wear my shoes with my pillows and my placemats. I honestly love sparkle. I mean, not too much of it, but I love sparkle. You probably think I'm over exaggerating, but I'm serious. Look, the shoes match my pillow. Look at that. Oh my god. That is perfect. And I didn't purchase them the same day. It's just, it happens to be the same. Isn't that crazy? One of my cousins, she asked me, how is it that you like find matching things? I was like, I don't know. I mean, it takes time for me to find them, but I wasn't looking for this and I found it. So it's pretty cool. I feel like it's like a Cinderella shoe in the pillow. Like that. Oh my, isn't that cute? I should put this for my thumbnail. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh my. And here you have it. So it's two of them and I'll be placing them up here, probably on this couch. And then the other three will go on. Okay, and these are the pillows that I'll be using in my dining room. They have a snowflake. They're super duper pretty. I did purchase two of them. Who else is pillow obsessed? Because I feel like I love pillows. And even before I knew there was like a home decor community, I was collecting pillows. Which is, I thought it was kind of weird, but then I met other ladies who do that and I was like, okay, well, I'm not the only one. There's people who do that. It's a thing. So yes, so those are my new pillows and they are from Home Goods. Finally, this is the last pillow that I have for you guys. And this is more like an ivory. The one that I just showed you is white with silver. This is ivory with bronze. And this will be going in my living room. And it matches the other pillows that I just showed you. As you can see, everything's going to be very neutral. Browns, the sign. It's going to look really pretty. I'm really excited. I think by far this has to be one of my most favorite decor color scheme that I'm using. And here you have it. Those are the details of the little Christmas tree. I think I'm going to call this the Cinderella pillow because it matches my shoes. But here you can see I got different sizes. And I got two of the square ones and one of the rectangle. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I'm really tired. I want to take a nap now. I've been filming all day, or actually all morning. But I'm really happy that I finally get to show you everything and I just display everything all around my house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what item are you gonna go look for, because I know you're gonna go look for the pillows. You are probably gonna go hunting for the pillows. I know that for a fact. And the placemats, because those are, honestly, they are amazing, and the price at Home Goods, wow, compared to how much they retail at sparklyhomes.com, you cannot beat the price. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.